Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am participating in HEIDI SONBOUL's Fall DIY Challenge. And I am going to be making my coffee bar because I started renovating this room for my pantry, and we decided to put all of our coffee and teas and all that stuff in this area. So I'm just going ahead and measuring it out, this wall and everything, for my coffee bar. So I want you guys to go ahead and check out Heidi's video and also her channel. She does have two channels, HEIDI SONBOUL DIY and HEIDI SONBOUL Home. I definitely will link both channels down in the description box as well as the playlist. So Heidi, I want to thank you so much for having this challenge and so much for inviting us to participate. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I am just securing this coffee bar shelf, and on the shelf I'm going to be putting just lightweight things, some saucers and some thrift store tea kettles that I found. My daughter, I was giving her a high five because she's doing a Zoom call with her teacher and they were getting ready to get into their first class. So I am just going ahead and just decorating the tea station. Now this is not the way that it's going to look. I'm definitely going to be giving a different tour of this tea station, but this is what it looks like, and I kind of just wanted to give you guys just an idea of what it is. I am going to be painting the wall and, you know, doing some stenciling and just doing all the things. So you guys are definitely going to get a full fall tour of that. But I just wanted to go ahead and get it organized just to show you guys what it looks like in the video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you enjoyed creating this tea hot chocolate station with me. It is going to be so fun to decorate this area for the holidays. I am so looking forward to it, and we've already started using the area and it is so much better than when it was in our kitchen. And even with our kitchen, it just freed up so much space on our countertops. So I am so excited about this area, you guys. It's very functional, very practical, and it fits right into our pantry, and I cannot wait to give you guys a full pantry tour. So don't forget to go ahead and visit Heidi's channel. Also, the playlist link will be in the description box, as well as Heidi's channels. Go ahead and show these ladies some love and watch the playlist. Enjoy it. I know it's going to be amazing. It's a lot of talented and creative women that is participating. So make sure you go ahead and show each person some love. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are visiting from any of the other ladies' channels, welcome. My name is Shushana. I do a lot of DIYs and crafts, home decor, seasonal decors, some thrifting and cleaning videos as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. Also, go ahead and double tap that bell. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed watching me create my hot chocolate and tea station for the fall. And also go ahead and share this video with your social media network. Hit me up on Instagram, you guys, at Regal Designs by Shushana. We have so much fun over there. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me and sticking with me through this journey. We have made it to 4,000 subscribers, and I am so excited and grateful to you guys. I just want to thank y'all so much for all your love, encouragement, and support. So I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't